They served. They sacrificed. They answered the call when we needed them most. But too many veterans, active duty military, and first responders face a battle at home. No way to get to work, to doctor's appointments, to simply live with dignity. Cars for Heroes changes that. We take donated vehicles, repair them, make them mechanically sound, and award them to those who served but can't obtain transportation on their own. One donation, one hero. From Tampa to Indianapolis, Denver to Portland, Kansas City and beyond, we're putting keys in the hands of those who've earned them. Mechanics volunteer. Communities donate. Families are restored. One donation, one hero, one life transformed. We can't make these gifts without you. To apply or donate, visit carsforheroes.org. Change a life.